How have you used your voice to serve others this year? Perhaps you spoke up for someone who couldn't speak up for themselves. Or perhaps you advocated for someone who wouldn't have been believed or noticed or highlighted at work, or maybe the work of a more junior colleague or a member of your team. Did you share knowledge that helps someone else grow? Remember, serving others isn't always about advocacy. Sometimes it's about education, teaching a skill without being asked, or mentoring someone new to the environment, your professional environment or community environment. Did you exhibit the courage to speak the truth that helps someone to avoid a mistake or to see a blind spot? Or did you have a difficult conversation that served someone and kept them from making a bad decision? Take this principle and these practices with you in 2026, and you will do well. On its own, your voice is powerful, but remember that your voice is the most powerful when you choose to use your voice on behalf of others and not only of yourself.